Hey there, fellow traders. Get ready to supercharge your trading game with these amazing top 5 trading tips and tricks. If you want to unlock your full potential and watch those profits soar, you've come to the right place. So smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Oh yeah, baby. You gotta use a trading plan. It's like having a secret weapon for success. A trading plan keeps you focused, disciplined, and on top of your game. It's your roadmap to smashing those trading goals and avoiding those impulse trades that can drain your profits. Boom. Tip number 2. Treat trading like the most epic business venture ever. You are the master of your destiny. Put in the time, research those markets like a pro, and develop your kick-ass trading strategy. Keep track of your results and know your trading costs inside out. You're a trading superstar. Tip number 3. Get ready to blast off with technology. There's a universe of trading platforms and tools out there just waiting for you. These awesome tools will analyze markets like nobody's business, spot those thrilling trading opportunities, and manage your risk like a rock star. You're unstoppable. Tip number 4. Protect that hard-earned moolah, baby. Only risk a teeny tiny percentage of your account on each trade. And guess what? We've got a super cool feature. The stop-loss order. It's like having a safety net. If the market gets all cray-cray, it's got your back. Protect that precious capital and you'll be invincible. Tip number 5. Can I get a drum roll, please? Be patient and disciplined, traders. Success doesn't happen overnight, but hey, you've got the right stuff. Focus on constant improvement. Develop those mad trading skills, and you'll be raking in those profits like a boss. Oh yeah, we just nailed those top 5 trading tips and tricks. Now here's your mission, if you choose to accept it. Hit that like button and smash that. Subscribe. Help us grow this amazing trading community together. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's rock this trading world. Thanks for hanging out, my awesome trading comrades. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a trading party. Remember, trading involves risk. So do your own research. And if you're new, seek professional advice. Trading isn't for the faint-hearted, but you've got the fire within you. Until our next epic trading adventure, keep hustling, keep trading, and keep shining like the stars you are. Take care and catch you real soon. Disclaimer: trading carries risks, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Do your due diligence and seek professional advice if needed. Remember, trading is for the bold and the brilliant. Let's make this journey amazing together.